Hey there, fabulous dancer, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sahira. I am the mom of a tween, a lover of spicy Szechuan food and barbershop harmony, and of course, belly dance. I've been a professional performer and instructor now for 25 years, ever since I was 3. And I have traveled the world teaching and performing this beautiful dance, everything from in the dirt at the Renaissance Festival to the largest belly dance festival in the world, Ahlan wa Sahlan in Cairo, Egypt. Now, Houston is my belly dance home, and I love to spend my days helping people find more confidence, creativity, and health through the beautiful art of belly dance. So welcome to my channel. If you are a new dancer, you want to start with the beginner belly dance isolations playlist. And then once you've done those, move on to the top 10 moves that every belly dancer must know. If you're a longtime dancer, may I recommend checking out the belly dance workouts or the in-depth shimmy tutorials. And a huge shout out to my finger cymbal fans. I have dozens of finger cymbal tutorials here. I'm kind of obsessed. Everything from how to choose a pair of finger cymbals to how to create your own a cappella zill composition. And then when you're ready to dive deeper, join me for a free masterclass or workshop. I have several to choose from, and I will link them in the description for you. Be sure that you like and subscribe so that you can get notifications when I post brand new content every single week. And then check out the post sections here on my page so that we can connect further. Drop me a line there. Let me know how you're doing, where you're from, and what you would like to learn next. Thank you again for being here, fabulous dancer. I look forward to sharing the dance floor with you very soon.